In this video, I'll guide you through how to copy or cut an object and paste it in the exact same position on another page or spread. This is really useful when you're working on layouts and you want perfect alignment across multiple pages, like repeating headers, logos, or any design element that needs to stay consistent. Let's start with selecting the object you want to move. First, make sure you're using the selection tool, which is usually the main arrow tool in your toolbar. Click on the object once so you see its bounding box or handles appear. That's how you know it's properly selected. If you miss and click on the empty canvas instead, just try again and make sure you're clicking directly on the object. Once the object is selected, you have two choices. You can copy it or you can cut it. Copying will create a duplicate and leave the original in place. Cutting will remove it from the current page and move it to your clipboard, ready to be pasted somewhere else. If you want to copy the object, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Think of C for copy. If you want to cut the object instead, use Ctrl+X on Windows or Command+X on a Mac. X is like crossing it out from the current page, but keeping it ready to paste. After you've copied or cut the object, the next step is to move to the page or spread where you want it to appear. Navigate there using your usual method. You might click on the page thumbnails, use the Pages panel, or any navigation controls inside your software. The key is to make sure the correct page or spread is active before you paste. Now here's the important part. Instead of using a regular paste command, you're going to use paste in place. Regular paste often drops the object somewhere near the center of the page, which is not what we want when we're trying to maintain perfect alignment. Paste in place tells the program to put the object in the exact same coordinates it had on the original page. To paste in place using the keyboard, press Ctrl+Shift+Alt+V on Windows. On a Mac, press Command+Shift+Option+V. It's a bit of a finger workout, but it becomes second nature once you've done it a few times. If you prefer using menus, you can achieve the same result by going to the Edit menu at the top of your screen and choosing Paste in Place. As soon as you do this, the object will appear on your new page in the exact same position it occupied on the original page. That means the same distance from the top, the same distance from the left, and perfectly aligned across pages. This is ideal for repeating layout elements like page numbers, banners, watermarks, or any design that needs to stay locked to a specific spot. If you don't see the object right away, double check that you're on the correct page and that paste in place was used, not a standard paste. Also, make sure you actually copied or cut the object beforehand. Once you get comfortable with this workflow, you'll find that copying or cutting objects and pasting them in place is one of the fastest ways to keep your designs clean, consistent, and professional from page to page.